Mahima and welcome back to my channel Mahiway. For today, I'm going to be sharing with you a product empties video. So I have a lot of product which I've finished. Most of them are skincare or hair care products or body care products. I haven't finished much of makeup products because I need a lot of time to finish my makeup. And I've finished my skincare products like this. So yeah, if you're interested in this video, then please keep on watching. But before that, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to my channel. It will mean a lot to me. Really trying my best to upgrade my content game. So now without any further ado, let's get started with the video. So the funny thing is I have kept everything in this bag and it's full. इसके अंदर सामान legit ठूसा गया है. Starting off by this hair care products because I think skin care बहुत ज़्यादा है but hair care फिर थोड़ा limited है. So the first hair care product is this L'Oreal Color Protecting Shampoo. ये मैंने बहुत पहले ख़त्म किया है like 4-5 months पहले I believe. मैंने तब से इसे रखा हुआ है and I also had the Color Protect कंडीशनर. सो मैंने दोनों बहुत टाइम से रखा हुआ है. आई जनरली यूज द शैम्पू विच माई डॉक्टर हैज़ रिकमेंडेड मी और द वाओ शैम्पू बिकॉज बोथ ऑफ देम वर्क्स फॉर मी. बट दीज वर द शैम्पू विच वर आई वॉज यूजिंग जब मैंने अपना कलर जब मैंने अपने हेयर कलर करवाया था. नाउ इट्स लाइक ऑलमोस्ट गॉन. तब वो रेड था सो मैंने उसके लिए कलर प्रोटेक्टिंग शैम्पू लिया था. So talking about this shampoo, this is an okay shampoo. If you have colored hair, you can definitely try this. But if you ask me, will I repurchase this? No, because I don't have colored hair now. This was like a free sample with the shampoo bottle. And the shampoo was for like around about 100 and 150. It wasn't expensive at all. So that's why I got it. Second hair care product is this. So this is the BBlunt dry shampoo. This is a really nice dry shampoo. This one was for rupees 225 and this was 30 ml of product. Considering कि इसकी quantity बहुत कम थी, ये थोड़ा expensive लगा मुझे. So I won't be repurchasing this smaller bottle anymore because again it's very expensive. I will be buying the other dry shampoo. But yeah, this is a really nice dry shampoo and dry shampoo is something that you should own. So it's a good product but a bit expensive, that's what I feel. Hair care product I believe is this, so I don't invest much in hair care products. So the last shampoo is this. This is the Petite Instant Hair Refresh Dry Shampoo and this is in the name Fruity and Cheeky Cherry. This is like 200 ml of product and you have to pay like 650 rupees. but ये मैंने Amazon से लिया था तो मुझे 500 का पड़ा था. So 500 में I got 200 ml of product but the BBlunt I got like for 225 rupees में मैंने सिर्फ 30 ml of product मिला. So that's why मैं अब इसे ही परचेज करूँगी and यही बॉटल का साइज परचेज करूँगी because ये काफ़ी लास्ट करते हैं. This is a really nice product and I will repurchase it. I have already placed an order for a dry shampoo because I ran out of all my dry shampoos. So yeah, I'm going to move to skincare because I can see a lot of product right now. So first is this. This is the Biotique Honey Water Pore Tightening Toner. So this is a really nice toner for all skin types. This one I got for like 175 rupees. Will I repurchase it or not? No, because I like the cucumber one more and this one was okay. This wasn't bad. But I feel like this is not something which my skin need. I need the pore tightening one more than this one. So I won't be repurchasing it. So the second product which I finished is this. This is the Garnier Micellar Cleansing Water. This one is their non-oily cleanser. So this one retails for I believe 175 rupees and you get 125 ml of product. Eating the price, this is a very nice and affordable option of a makeup cleanser. This water is really good if you want to like clean your everyday sort of makeup. Eye makeup इससे remove नहीं होगा if you had like eyelash glue or something like that. But ऐसे for a regular cleansing water, this is a really nice product. Will I repurchase it or not? I definitely will repurchase it, but in future. Next is again their Garnier Micellar Oil Infused Cleansing Water. So मेरे पास इस पे big bottle भी पड़ी है. ये बड़ी bottle भी almost खत्म होने वाली है and ये वाली खत्म हो चुकी है. So you can see how much I love this water. This helps in removing your your glass glue or any eye makeup or any sort of heavy makeup, definitely it's better than that product. So yeah, I really like it. So the third product is this. Condition is very bad. So this is the Biotic Bio Almond Soothing Face for an eye makeup cleanser. So this is like their oil based cleanser. This is their almond cleanser. This is like very thick oil based cleanser. I have completely ran out of it and took me like a lot of time to finish this bottle. This one was for rupees, I believe 175 rupees, and you get 120 ml of product. So it was very inexpensive. It was very affordable. To be very honest, I didn't like it. It was very heavy, very oily for my skin. I prefer using like a coconut oil more than using this oil. This was very thick, like बहुत ज़्यादा thick था ये और बहुत ज़्यादा heavy लगता है skin पे. So I didn't like it much. Be repurchasing it at all. Next is the Biotic Bio Cucumber Pore Tightening Toner. This is something which I recently finished. This one is again for 175 rupees and you get 120 ml of product. Will I repurchase it or not? I already got another bottle of this. So this clearly means how much I love this. This is a really nice toner for someone with like acne prone skin or with someone with pores issues, because this is a very affordable option for a face toner. So next are the sunscreen thing. So this is the Neutrogena Ultra Sheer Dry Touch Sunblock SPF 50 sunscreens. This one is like for 549 rupees and you get 88 ml of product. And इसके दो tubes खत्म कर दिए. Clearly see how much I love this. I already have repurchased another tube of this bottle. So highly recommend this sunscreen. मुझे बताने की भी ज़रूरत नहीं है बिकॉज मैंने दो ट्यूब्स ख़त्म कर दिए सनस्क्रीन की. दिस इज अ सनस्क्रीन जो मेरे घर पे सब यूज़ करते हैं. Really nice sunscreen and I think you should get it. The sunscreen, this is the VLCC Natural Science Matte Look Sunscreen Lotion SPF 30 PA++ for all skin types, sun defense. And this one was for rupees 315 and you get 100 gram of product. So this was an okay sunscreen. I don't have much to talk about. You can see it has like a white cast. It was very thick. ऐसा लगता था मैं एक BB क्रीम अप्लाई कर रही हूँ. इसे अप्लाई करोगे आपको ऐसे लगेगा white कुछ अपनी स्किन पे लगा रहे हो. So I didn't like that fact. I do have the Lotus Matte Sunscreen which is again tinted, but ये स्किन में एब्जॉर्ब हो जाते हैं. ये एक वाइट कास्ट छोड़ जाती है. So I didn't like it much. So I won't be repurchasing this and I won't recommend to you guys. The sunscreen which I finished is this. This is the Aroma Magic Cucumber Sunscreen Lotion. This is the SPF 30 lotion. I love the packaging of it. This one is for 170 rupees and you get 50 ml of product. Talking about the sunscreen, this is a really nice everyday sort of sunscreen which doesn't sting your eyes, absorbs quickly. So this was the sunscreen which I used to apply because it's very lightweight. So in all, I will repurchase the sunscreen very soon. Abhi ke liye I don't have any plan of repurchasing the sunscreen. I have some creams to talk about. First is the Garnier Wrinkle Lift Cream. This was an okay cream. I had heard so much about this product and I finished it completely. This is an okay cream for me. I'm over a big fan of this cream. Like it did wonders to my skin. This is an okay cream. I won't be repurchasing it in future. I didn't feel like कि इतनी अच्छी थी. मैंने सुना बहुत ज़्यादा था इसके लिए, but like it's an okay cream. Cream which I finished is this Wow Vitamin C Face Cream. So you can see no product is coming out and I have finished it. ये थोड़ा सा बचा है वो भी मैं यूज़ कर लूँगी. Cream retails for 599 rupees. The price is a bit expensive but the cream was really good. It's like I have reviewed this on my channel. So if you want the review you can check the description. मैंने अगर किसी भी product का कोई भी review किया होगा मैं उसे description में ज़रूर डाल दूँगी. So definitely check that. But if you ask me will I repurchase this or not, no, I won't be repurchasing it. I'm loving the one cream which I used recently and which I'm obsessed with. We'll share that too. So the next cream is the Biotic Night Cream. This is the cream. I have finished like 3-4 tubs of this cream and I don't know मैं कितनी और purchase करूँगी. Recently I haven't bought another tub of this because I am using a gel nowadays for my night cream because my skin is like more into gel cream nowadays. So yeah. One is for rupees 230 and you get 50 gram of product. Will I repurchase it or not? Yes, I will repurchase it because it's very nice, thick, मॉइस्चराइजिंग हाइड्रेटिंग नाइट क्रीम. ये ज़्यादा कुछ आपकी स्किन के लिए नहीं करता है बट हाइड्रेशन बहुत अच्छी देता है. सो इन फ्यूचर अगर मुझे कोई भी क्रीम हाइड्रेशन के लिए फॉर लाइक नाइट क्रीम चाहिए हो, मैं इसे ज़रूर लूँगी. द लास्ट क्रीम इज दिस इज द पॉन्ड सुपर लाइट जेल क्रीम. यू कैन सी आई हैव फिनिश्ड द टब. मैंने एक नया टब भी ले लिया है, वो भी बड़ा टब. एंड यू कैन सी ये भी खत्म होने वाला है. It's a wonderful formula. I love this. Next are the Himalaya Neem Pure Face Wash. You can clearly see I love this. I already have repurchased it. This is a really nice face wash. मैंने इसे अपनी बहुत वीडियोस में बोला है कि बहुत अच्छा फेस वॉश है. If you have acne prone skin, oily skin, like if you have pimples, this is your friend. Try this. Is a really nice face wash. Next I finished the Face Shop Herb Day Green Cleansing Cream, green tea cleansing cream. You can see I have completely finished this. This is a really nice cleansing cream. This 150 ml of product. Quantity काफ़ी ज़्यादा थी and ये बहुत अच्छी cleansing cream है. फॉर्मूला बहुत rich creamy है, ये बहुत अच्छे से आपकी स्किन को cleanse करता है. So will I repurchase this or not? Yes, I will repurchase this very soon. I have one face mask that I finished is this. This is the Jiva activated charcoal face mask. You can see I have finished it. I love this. मैं इसे यूज करते हैं, उसी इसका फैन बन जाता है. It's a really nice face mask. I really love it. And will I repurchase this or not? Yes, I will repurchase this. This one was very affordable at the same time. Like for 450 rupees and you get 100 gram of product. But I got this for like 250 rupees. So again, I will repurchase this. This is a really nice product. Next, I have this Khadi Mint and Cucumber face refresher. This is a really nice face refresher. ये जनरली इट्स लाइक अ फेस मिस्ट विच डजंट डू मच ऑन योर स्किन बट ये आपकी स्किन को बहुत जल्दी रिफ्रेश्ड फील कराता है. सो आई रियली लाइक इट. विल आई रीपरचेज दिस? आई ऑलरेडी हैव रीपरचेज्ड इट. मेरे पास एक और बॉटल इसकी है विच इज माई रूम. सो या नेक्स्ट आई हैव फिनिश्ड the first serum of my life. This is a Wow Vitamin C face serum which is like 20% vitamin C serum. This one is for 699 rupees and will I repurchase this or not? I don't know now because I'm not looking for any face serum but this was really good serum. I didn't like it much in the beginning. I have shared a video on this as well but at the end मतलब काफ़ी टाइम यूज़ करने के बाद I really like it. मेरी स्किन काफ़ी क्लियर हो चुकी थी. So it has helped me in clearing my skin. Will I repurchase this or not? I don't know. I really don't know. Next I finished to under eye cream. So this is the Aroma Magic under eye gel and this is the L'Oreal Paris under eye hydrating gel. This one is for like I believe 195 rupees. This one was a bit expensive. So if you ask me, I won't be repurchasing both of them because they didn't did much for my skin. ये जनरली दोनों पफिनेस आइस की कम करते हैं विच आई थिंक आइस क्यूब्स भी कर सकते हैं. सो आई वोंट बी रीपरचेजिंग देम. सो लास्ट स्किन केयर प्रोडक्ट आई बिलीव इज दिस इज द नायका लेमन एसेंशियल oil. You can see I have completely finished this. This is a really nice oil. I have shared this in my skincare video as well. Like this is a really nice product if you have acne, like for spot treatment of your acne. This is a really nice product. I also like to use it brush cleansing process. So definitely gonna repurchase this. So this is the Sugandha AHA serum. मैंने इसका पूरा रिव्यू शेयर किया है. So I will link that video. You can definitely check that. Will I repurchase this or not? I will gonna repurchase the AHA serum. I am just planning to buy the ordinary serum. But अगर मैंने वो नहीं लिया तो I will definitely gonna buy this one. So these are the only makeup products that I finished. So first is this Maybelline Instant Age Divine Concealer in the shade Medium. I love this concealer. I really love it. I have already bought 2 more Age Divine concealers. So this is a really nice concealer. I love it. I recommend it. Go for it. Next is this lipstick. So you can see it's completely finished. थोड़ी सी बची. This is the Nykaa matte lipstick. Will I repurchase it? No, because इसकी क्वांटिटी बहुत कम थी. The price was for rupees I think 200 तक का, but क्वांटिटी के लिए बिल्कुल वर्थ नहीं है. So I will never gonna buy this. नेक्स्ट आई फिनिश दिस आकर्ष मैट लिपस्टिक, जो कि मैंने वीडियो में बहुत बार लगाया है एंड आपने इतने लोगों ने मेरे से मेरा कलर पूछा है. विल आई रीपरचेज इट? डेफिनेटली, बट अगर मुझे प्रोडक्ट मिलेगा तो, बिकॉज आई एम नो वेयर एबल टू फाइंड दिस लिपस्टिक. सो अगर आपको मिलेगी मुझे भी बता देना. आई लव दिस. नेक्स्ट आई फिनिश द वेट एंड वाइल्ड रोज लिपस्टिक. सो बेसिकली ख़त्म नहीं हुई है, थोड़ी ड्राई हो चुकी है बिकॉज इसकी पैकेजिंग ख़राब हो गई थी मेरे से, बहुत बार गिरती थी मेरे से. Will I repurchase it? I already have 2 more Rebel Rose shade. I love this lipstick. This one is for like 499 rupees, but the shade is to die for. I highly recommend it. It's a very beautiful color. Next, I finished the Nykaa Serial Kissa lip balm. Will I repurchase this or not? Yes, this is a really nice lip balm. I've also shared this on my top lip balm collection video. Go watch it. It's a really nice product. The last product is the Pack Lash Fixer. Will I repurchase it? I already have another bottle which is also half finished. I really like this lash glue. This is a really nice and affordable option. Now I'm going to talk about some random products which are lying here and which I want to share with you. So first is this Miniso Unique Deodorant Body Spray. This one I got for ₹150 and I freaking love it. अगर आपको ये शेड मिलता है मिनिसो के स्टोर से, डेफिनेटली ले लो. ये बहुत अच्छा डिओड्रेंट है एंड आई रेकमेंड एंड आई विल रीपरचेज इट, बट जम्मू में इसका कोई स्टोर अवेलेबल नहीं है. सो आई विल लुक फॉर दिस डिओड्रेंट ऑनलाइन एंड अगर मुझे मिलेगा आई विल डेफिनेटली गोना रीपरचेज. Another perfume that I finished is this Zara Red Vanilla perfume. बहुत थोड़ा सा बचा है, you can see. Will I repurchase it or not? I will repurchase it because I love the fragrance of this perfume. It's strong, but it's not overpowering. It's not that crazy. Last product is this. This is the Oziva Superfood Green and Herbs powder. So basically this is for like a whole food, which is like for multivitamin powder. I finished this like last year, I believe, or इस ईयर के बिगनिंग में. आई गॉट दिस फॉर माई सेल्फ एंड दिस वॉज फॉर ₹1350 and you get 250 grams of product. Will I repurchase this? I won't be repurchasing the greens and herbs thing, but I will definitely gonna repurchase the protein powders and stuff because I love the quality of this brand and I really trust this brand. So yeah, that's all for today. I hope you like this video, and if you like these kind of videos, do let me know in the comment section below, and for more such videos, stay tuned. Bye.